Yes, yes, it's me.
Yes, yes, brother.
So I'm always finding to talk with other, and that's you. You suggested me. That's why I called you, because
Yeah, yeah.
there is a no one I have to practice with English, and I have downloaded some few apps to talk, but they are not responding so much. So
I'll tell you. I'll tell you what happened out there. They first of all they receive a call, okay, and
yeah,
then they hear the voice of the male. They're gonna disconnect. They are looking for a woman, bro. That's going on. That's what happened out there. That's going on
yeah,
out there.
yes, I found that, and that's why I uninstalled the app.
Yeah, it's waste of the time.
Yes, yeah, yeah. And I found that why they are. I'm calling, and they show the 1 second timing, and they cut off the app and cut off the phone. So I found that they are always looking for the woman on the call, so they can talk
Yeah.
more. But
Yes. Yes.
uh,
Yes. Yes. I see. I see.
yeah,
I see, brother. So, brother, who are you, brother?
I'm just graduation. I have done my graduation, and I'm also preparing for the civil services exams.
For the post of PSI or
No, no, I am
top
top administrative service, IAS, IPS.
IES and IPS.
Yes, my goal is to be that's and I was doing for it from past 1 years, and I have
Mm-hmm.
come to know that how to prepare because it's a very tough exam. It's listed in
Mm-hmm.
top 10, as you
Mm-hmm.
know. So,
Mm-hmm.
so you what's exam is examiner wants from you. You have to find that out that what they wants from you, and
Mm-hmm.
it's a very big problem that when they are preparing, when anyone is preparing, they don't know what examiner wants from you. Always they are preparing like a normal exams, like competitive
Mm-hmm.
normal exam are going. They have to ratta, doing ratta.
Mm-hmm. Ditto,
This
ditto, called ditto.
yes, Ditto. This is and this exam is different. You have to
Mm-hmm.
brain mapping. You
You,
have to expand your mind.
yeah, you have to use your own mind to
Yeah,
solve a problem.
yeah. Because I have read it the old questions. They just say not up from the book.
Mm-hmm.
For before 1 year, I have read it one question that I have read it in Hindi. I will tell
Mm-hmm.
you that in Hindi that is written question is वो सपने जो भारत को सोने ना दे. So you will not find from anywhere in a book. You have to
Mm-hmm.
use your own mind
Yes,
what
yes,
they are
yes.
asking exactly.
Mm-hmm.
So they are very you have to do and learn to day by day. So you
Yes,
can
yes, brother.
answer that. You can answer that. I am doing reading newspaper daily for my
Uh-huh.
practice. So I
Mm-hmm.
and one thing I want to tell you that I have not find any other person to talk to practice English. So I decided to read newspaper loudly so I can mug up more things and learn new things also.
Okay, only loudly, brother. Only loudly. That's it. What else
Yeah,
then?
because my your facial expressions and pronunciations you need to build your pronunciation good when you're talking because
Mm-hmm.
when another person is not able to understand what you are talking exactly. So I decided to talk when I was reading newspaper. I speak a little loud. So
Okay,
I
okay,
yeah.
Mr. Chauhan, what do you do when you don't understand the word? Like you, at the time you are reading a newspaper, what you do then? What you, if you don't understand the word which is written in newspaper, what you do then?
First of all, I will grab that word from and copy on the Google and paste it. What is
Yeah,
the meaning of this thing? Okay, and I read again that
yeah,
sentence. I read again that
yeah.
sentence. What exactly he wants to say? Because I was reading a newspaper. His name is The Hindu. It's very good vocabulary. in it.
Yes.
So no, we are not able to understand every word exactly. And if you are not able to understand every each word, any word between the sentence, you are not able to understand what they are saying exactly. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm first of all I read for one time and grab the words which we are not able to understand, and I have Google it. So
Mm-hmm.
I understand the word, and because I am from the English medium background, that I'm little bit available, understandable that what they are able to sing, and I'm also watching the videos of the newspaper. They are available on newspaper. They are daily um, what I say that on YouTube channels they are uh,
New vocabulary, phrase,
no
idioms.
no exactly not that. Same the newspaper they are explaining on YouTube. Okay,
Study IQ. Study IQ.
like this, yeah, yes, like this YouTube channel they are explaining the newspaper. First of all,
Mm-hmm.
I read and I see the videos what they are saying about the news, because they
Mm-hmm.
know, because they are teachers and they know how what they are the newspaper is saying. First I read and I'm watching the news
Mm-hmm.
and an explanation of the editorials and things on.
So, do you think are you improving? Do you think are you improving?
Yeah, I found that I am improving because I am trying to learn from the my school days and college days, but I am not able to speak. I can understand everything what their other person is saying, but I have not practiced any time with other
Mm-hmm.
person.
Mm-hmm.
You can find a little bit that I am speaking little bit good.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
I can
So
see.
yeah, though because of that, I have no person to talk with, whom I will talk. So in this
Mm-hmm.
lockdown, as you started, I found your one video you started in this lockdown, and we decided. I said my friend to learn English in this lockdown because it's a precious time. Everyone is thinking that this is a good time to do a free time we have found, but we have to grab that opportunity that we have only work to do is learn English, because all work has collapsed or they are not doing anything and we are free already, because
Mm-hmm.
no work we have to do, we have to stay in home and eat food, and after eating lunch and dinner there is a night we have to sleep.
Mm-hmm.
So I said him that we can practice 2 or 3 months. We will able to speak very good English. So we decided. So whom you, my friends, you talk with, is not able to speak little bit, but he started speaking very much. And I found that he speak with you 15 minutes yesterday or day
Mm-hmm.
before.
Mm-hmm.
So I found that I have to say thank you to you.
Yeah.
That's he has a courage. He decided to call you because he's finding many videos. He's
Uh,
searching on YouTube. He
yeah.
found you that
Yeah.
the person is doing very good job. You have to speak with them once.
Mm-hmm.
And so, brother, I want to ask you that if I want to practice more, how you will help me, because there is a no other person I have to talk with. So how you help me, the other person, and your.
Well, Mr. Chauhan, what do I say? That I really wanted to really want to talk to you. It's my wish that I'm gonna talk to you each and every day. But brother, that your kind of people, lots of people, they wanted to talk to me. You know,
Yeah,
even
you're right.
in the morning I do a job. I'm an auto driver in the morning. I have to
Yeah,
do as well, and after that, after 6 p.m., I'm talking with the people who wants to talk with me, who wants to improve their English language with me. So I am little bit preoccupied with them. So what do I do? Tell me. I really don't have enough time, brother. But yeah, I appreciate your effort that you are learning. But that's I can talk to you once in a while only.
no, no, no.
Every day.
That's
I hope you
yeah,
understand what I'm
I
trying to
understand
say.
you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I understand you fully. Just I am asking you what you are, how you are doing, and you are helping with others. If you have found any free time, you can just ping me. I will, so we can have a conversation.
Definitely,
Yeah,
definitely, gonna brother. Definitely. I
yeah,
want. I want you to see as an IPS officer, brother.
Yeah,
That's my
thank.
dream. I want to see you as an IPS officer. Tell me, what can I do for you? I'll try my best to help you, brother. But I'm gonna tell you, I can try to manage a call within a week,
Yeah,
or after
it's
10
fine.
days.
It's fine. Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine. This is absolutely fine because if I talk to with another person, first of all, I want to say that I have talked to first person, unknown
Mm,
person that I'm
yeah.
talking with you because
You are
I
the
have,
first. This is the first time.
yeah, this is the first time unknown person I am talking with.
Why
It
you people don't try? I'm gonna ask you, why you people don't try to talk with other people? Why?
but
What's the reason? You don't
first
find
of
anyone?
Yeah, I'm not find anyone because my how to find, how to deal, how to talk, how to find a person is that we don't know exactly how to find
Mm,
other person. And yet you already said that they are finding a woman or girl on a call. They had cut it down. My friend you talked with yesterday, he suggested me over an app, and we decided to call every day and night when we are walking after dinner. So we are trying to call other person, then they picked up call and they cut it down in 1 2 seconds only.
well,
So
Mr. Chauhan, I'll tell you one thing. This is the 21st century.
yeah,
Okay. Now, like, you want to talk to someone, people need value. Like, they need something. If you want to talk with them, like, you wanted to learn English, what you are going to teach them? They also need something from you.
yeah,
You
right.
are gaining something. You are gaining something from them. Like, I'm talking about a native speaker, or a person who speak fluently, a person who has a very good knowledge related to English. If you're going to talk to with him, because of you wanted to learn English, okay, but what you are providing to them, what do you have, what kind of stuff you are providing, what kind of a service you are providing him or her, so the person will interested to talk with you. Such things people are looking right now nowadays, you
Yeah,
know
got you.
yeah, yeah, that's things happen nowadays. That's the how things happen.
Yeah, yeah.
That's cool, sounds good.
Because grasping 15 words is not easy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, already you said that you are grasping of one word or three in a day.
Mm-hmm.
So grasping that word is not easy. I'm only giving that he will find more sentences to speak in front of
Mm-hmm.
other, like phrases.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, that's we
I
are
see.
doing. Yeah,
That's good then. Best of luck for you guys. May God
yeah,
bless you. May God bless you. Best of luck.
yeah.
And
Thank you for your precious time, bro.
yeah. And do you allow me to upload on the YouTube, brother?
Yeah,
It's up
yeah,
to
yeah.
you.
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
If you find good, I am talking good, then you can upload. If it helps you, it helps other people. I will be happy
Yeah,
because
you are the motivator right now. You are motivating other people to become an IAS, IPS, IAS, IPS officer. Let's
yeah,
see, people are preparing for their examination, how they are working very hard, how they're serious about their future, how they're serious about our India. You
yeah,
people are the future of our India.
yeah. Thank you.
So they feel little bit inspiration, they feel they got some inspiration.
Yeah, because in this I have found I am starting to preparing you. Everyone I'm watching video, they have said you need daily motivation for this preparation. You need daily motivation for this preparation. But when you find that how they are, what examiners exactly wants from you, you
Mm,
have to catch this thing only in
yes,
this
yes.
exam because they are asking. I said you one question that they are saying in question that in Hindi I will tell you that they said question is that वो सपने जो भारत को सोने ना दे. You will not find this answer from any book. You have to you are
I
if your mind is
I
that your mind is like build you will build you have to build that like your mind you have to grasp these things
Yes,
of
yes,
daily
I see.
after reading daily practices you need and what they are exactly asking because some are and some videos I have found that they are saying that this exams is really easy
Mm-hmm.
and is a toughest exam in India. If
Yeah.
I yeah, so I the thought come to my mind that why they are saying this exam is easy. So
Mm-hmm.
I am in searching that why they are saying that exam is easy, and I found that answer for myself that
Mm-hmm.
we have to you have to see that what examiners are asking and what answer they want. That's it. It will help to other people with our conversation in
Yes.
preparing and motivating. Then I will be happy
Yes,
if
brother.
you
Thank you.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you then. Thank you,
Thank you.
inshallah. Best of luck. God bless you.
Thank you, bro, for your precious time.